In this guide, we'll walk you through 14 proven fixes step by step to solve the iPhone cannot download apps issue. Tip 1. Check your network connection. This is one of the most common reasons behind apps not downloading on iPhone. Before trying advanced fixes, always start by checking your network. Step 1. Open Settings, Wi-Fi and connect to a stable network. If issues persist, turn Wi-Fi off and on again or reconnect to the network to refresh the connection. Step 2. Go to Settings, Cellular Mobile Data and make sure the App Store is allowed to use mobile data. Turn it on if it's disabled. Step 3. Turn on airplane mode in Settings, wait 10-15 seconds, then turn it off. This reconnects Wi-Fi, cellular, and Bluetooth, which can fix temporary network issues. Step 4. If downloads still fail, reset your network settings via Settings, General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset Network Settings. This will erase saved Wi-Fi networks, passwords, and VPN settings, so have your Wi-Fi credentials ready. Reconnect to Wi-Fi and try the App Store again. Tip 2. Restart the App Store and iPhone. Restart the App Store. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause to open the app switcher. Find the App Store, swipe it up to close it, then reopen the App Store. Restart the iPhone. iPhone 8 or later, press and quickly release volume up, then press and release volume down. Press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 7 Plus, hold both the power and volume down buttons until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 6 seconds or earlier, hold both the power and home buttons until the Apple logo appears. Tip 3. Pause and retry downloading the app. If you have an iPhone 14 or later, press and hold the app on the home screen. You'll see 3 options: pause download, cancel download, and share app. Tap cancel download to stop the download completely. If the download is stuck, tap pause download, then press the app again to resume. Tip 4. Sign out and sign back into the App Store. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Go to iTunes and App Store and tap your Apple ID. Step 3. When the pop-up appears, select Sign Out. Step 4. Then sign in again and check if the issue is resolved. Tip 5. Check iPhone storage space. If your iPhone doesn't have enough storage, you are unable to download apps on your iPhone, and existing apps won't update either. Step 1. Go to Settings, General iPhone Storage to see how much free space is left on your device. Step 2. To free up space, you can delete unused apps, photos, videos, music, documents, or even old WhatsApp chats to make room for new downloads. Tip 6. Check your Apple ID payment method. If your card has expired, it can also prevent downloads and trigger a verification required pop-up. Adding a valid payment method may resolve the issue of apps not downloading on your iPhone. Step 1. On your iPhone, go to Settings, Your Name, Payment, and Shipping. Step 2. Tap Add Payment Method and follow the prompts to enter your card or bank details. Step 3. After adding it, tap Done. Once a valid payment method is on file, you can try downloading apps again. Tip 7. Set date and time correctly. The date and time on your iPhone can affect app downloads and updates. To ensure they are set correctly, enable the Set Automatically option. Step 1. Open Settings, General Date and Time. Step 2. Turn on the Set Automatically toggle. Tip 8. Check App Store restrictions. Step 1. Go to Settings, Screen Time. Step 2. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Step 3. Enter your passcode if prompted. Step 4. Tap iTunes and App Store purchases. Step 5. Set installing apps and in-app purchases to allow. Tip 9. Check Apple's system status. Visit Apple's system status page to check the App Store status. If it appears yellow or red, the servers are experiencing issues, so wait for Apple to resolve them before trying to download apps again. Tip 10. Update iOS. Step 1. Open Settings on your iPhone. Step 2. Go to General Software Update. Step 3. If an update is available, tap Update Now. Tip 11. Reset iPhone settings. Step 1. On your iPhone, go to Settings, General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset. Step 2. Tap Reset All Settings and enter your passcode. Step 3. Confirm by tapping Reset All Settings. The process will take a few minutes. Tip 12. Use iOS System Recovery. If basic fixes don't work, the issue may be caused by a deeper iOS system problem. iOS System Recovery can repair app download issues, Apple logo freezes, black screens, recovery mode loops, and other iOS errors. Step 1. Download and install the software on your computer. It will launch automatically after installation. Step 2. Connect your iOS device to the computer with a working USB cable. Select iOS System Recovery and click Start. Step 3. Choose a repair mode, standard mode or advanced mode and click Confirm. Step 4. Check your device information, then click Repair to start. Once the process finishes, your iPhone will be restored to normal. Tip 13. Restore iPhone to factory settings. If none of the previous methods work, a factory reset may be necessary. This completely erases the device and reinstalls iOS from scratch. Because this process deletes everything, make sure to back up your iPhone first. Step 1. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Step 2. Tap Erase all content in Settings, then select Continue and enter your passcode. Step 3. Tap Erase iPhone. Your device will restart several times and be fully wiped when finished. Tip 14. Contact Apple support. If you've tried every solution and still can't download apps from App Store, your issue may involve hardware failure, account restrictions, or deeper iOS problems. In that case, contacting Apple support is the best option.